Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change account age in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to change your account age in Brawl Stars, then unfortunately, you will not be able to do it directly, as Brawl Stars does not allow their users to change it. However, there is an alternative to do so. So go ahead and open your preferred browser, and in the search bar, search for Brawl Stars Contact. And in the interface that you will be led to search for the contact form link and tap on that. You will be redirected to this page. Now tap on Contact Us option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and type in your issue in the text box you see there, and make sure to be more informative and descriptive while typing in your problem for quicker responses from the Brawl Stars support team. And now tap on the Submit button. With this, your request has been submitted, and you will receive a notification from Brawl Stars regarding changing your account age soon. So that's basically how you can change account age in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.